carbonization plant where they make the carbonization machine. I'm here to do a pre-inspection for a carbonizer machine that we want to get for production in Kenya, where we want to carbonize sludge from human waste and make it into carbon that can make charcoal. Beston have proved that they can make good quality machines for carbonization. They have been in the forefront in supply, installation and commissioning of this type of equipment. We came all the way from Kenya so that we can see the technology that they have, and we have confirmed that the type of production they have here, they are using quality technologies, quality machines, high-tech and the current technology. So we appreciate the kind of work that Beston is doing. Thanks Beston and karibu sana.